Let's be real. Procrastination is the reason why we are stuck. Procrastination is the real reason why we feel behind. Procrastinating is the real reason why we lack of opportunities. It's not because we're lazy, it's the fact that we are inconsistent. But I'm going to show you some tools and I'm going to tell you how you're going to stop being a procrastinator today.
Everybody needs some company.
Now, hey y'all, let's get started. I'm your girl Taijababes. Welcome back to my channel. Let's just get into the topic. Procrastination. We all do. We all know what it is. We all keep on procrastinating, maybe because we're waiting to feel motivated. We are procrastinating because we're thinking about, oh, when is the right time? I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do it when I have time. We just always make an excuse in our heads of why we are procrastinating. First of all, I don't care what no one say. You are not lazy. You just don't have structure. And me too. You don't have any type of plan. You are always waiting for the perfect time, and I'm here to tell you that perfect time will never come. But the truth about being consistent is not about motivation. You could look at motivation all the time. I mean, look at social media. For example, looking at weight loss. Your motivation could be your test results. Your motivation is to simply look at somebody else and how they lost weight. But if you're not going to take the time and be disciplined yourself and make it a habit, then it's a waste of time, and motivation is just not the key at this point. So if you don't have the tools, if you're not disciplined in, okay, yeah, I'm looking at my test results, I need to lose weight, and have that discipline, have a plan on how I'm going to lose weight, what I'm going to do. Okay, I know y'all are tired of hearing me about consistency and what you're doing wrong and why you should be consistent. Now I'm gonna tell y'all how y'all could be consistent. The first thing y'all could do is start small. Within another example is YouTube. Right now, starting small as in posting a week of and narrowing down a niche that you enjoy doing. That is starting small. Do a simple routine. What is a day, a content day looks like for you? That means what? You're posting weekly, and you're posting weekly as in one day. Just say you're posting a Friday. Like, I'm gonna post a video every Friday, right? Or I'm gonna have a content day that I'm gonna do content, in a day I'm gonna do editing, in the day I'm going to post. Whatever it is that's gonna be helpful for you, whatever is gonna be simple for you to make sure you go into that goal of posting a week, right? And also is removing distractions, either distraction by people, social media, your phone time when you're doom stroll. I know I am have a habit of doom strolling, right? I always want to stroll, and I could really been doing something with my YouTube. A good example is I'm doing this video right now because tomorrow for my work day is busy, and I was procrastinating. I could have been did my videos. I could have been did a couple of videos, but I was just procrastinating. But like, oh, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. You never know what today's gonna bring and what tomorrow is gonna bring. So you do it right now what's on your mind. So, and that's my last and final thing, is doing it even if you don't feel like doing it. I was so lazy yesterday. I could have really, I actually got off of work really early that I really could have did a video. I could have did my video, and I could have had a couple of videos, and all I had to do was just edit them. But this week was a surprise for me. I had to go into a clinic twice instead of once a week, and I was definitely betting on me just being at home most of the time instead of me being in a clinic. But this week really threw a wrench into my plans, and that really showed me, especially this week, is that do your videos, be consistent. be consistent when it comes to your videos. And I'm talking to myself because it's like you never know what a week is going to be. And I was out of my house for 2 days, and I was not in, I was off Monday, all Monday. Ask me what I did Monday. Nothing. I didn't. That was a perfect day for me to do videos and editing. So I'm telling y'all right now, to if you want this so bad, whatever you want so bad, do not wait. Do not procrastinate, because you never know what life is going to bring you. So when you're doing it, do it right now. And I'm telling you, this week definitely showed me that I need to stop procrastinating, and I need to get up and do videos even when I don't feel like doing videos. Okay, another thing is being consistent doesn't have to be hard. You can take breaks. You can. It's just about how long you're going to be taking that break. So yes, you don't want to risk a burnout. You don't want to not feel like you're obligated to do it, because now it's not fun anymore of being consistent or whatever you want to do. Give you some time, a little break, but to make sure that you get back on track. So when you get off a track, go ahead and give you a time limit to go back on track. Do not let it linger for, because if it's gonna linger for a couple of days, then it's gonna linger for a week. If it's linger for a week, you might as well wait till a month. And it just, the life go by so fast. Like literally, this is March, and March is literally about to end. Today is the 19th of March. I felt like January was just here. You don't have time. You do not have time to procrastinate, because days is going by fast. Worry about today. Tomorrow will handle itself. I'm telling y'all, stop being procrastinating. In closing, your life change is the moment you stop waiting and showing up for yourself daily. You change your life. You're the only person. What you're not changing, you're choosing. So if you are not changing your eating habits to eat healthy, then you're choosing to be overweight. If you're not changing the way where you want to be a content creator, but you are not being consistent, you're choosing not to be consistent. You're choosing not to be a content creator. It's up to you. It's up to you. So go ahead, like this video. If you like this video, go ahead, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
Fulfill no fantasy, me have compare patron.